Hello friends, welcome to my channel Game of Trades. Today I will be analyzing Sun Pharmaceuticals Industries Limited, that is Sun Pharma. This is one of the query in my WhatsApp group. Firstly, the disclaimer. Whatever information you are viewing through this YouTube channel is only for educational purpose, and any trade that you wish to take upon based on suggestions made here is only your responsibility, and I can't be held illegally responsible for your profit or loss. So Sun Pharma, we have seen a Sun Pharma rallying quite high, and after that there is a steep down move. This is the monthly chart, and it has been trading in a narrow range, guarded by these two trend lines. Now in this channel we see that the upper trend line has been resistance couple of times, and this is where currently price action is. So this is the time where we see if this trend line is actually breaking upwards or it again acts as a resistance and we see price moving down. So this is the time to wait. You should not hurry to buy it only because it has come till this level. So it always pays to be patient and see if price action goes above 640, then you should actually, then that would be a good label that we can say that a breakout has actually happened and we can buy it. Now what is positive here is it has taken a support at around 61.8% retracement level, which we know that is a golden ratio and is a very good support. So chances of chances of Sun Pharma breaking out from this level is high, but then let's wait for few days, then wait for confirmation and see actually that happening. Now if you go to daily chart, now if you draw a trend line in a certain way like this, so this trend line joins a swing high at this level, swing highs at this level, and then a swing high at this level. So if you see this week, you can say that a breakout has actually happened. And if you draw another trend line, let's say from this level, then, so let me draw, yes. So if you draw a trend line where this joins this swing high, so this swing high, then this swing high, again a swing high, lower swing high, then again if you see, then this line will not seem, uh, then the current price action will not seem as has broken out. So it really depends on how do you draw trend lines, and drawing trend lines is correct in a correct way is very important, otherwise you will get into the wrong idea that it has already broken out, and then um, so you have to try it several times and see that which actually works out well, which is touching the most of the swing highs and all, and which is relevant at that point of time. So all these points needs to be considered when you are drawing a trend line. It looks very simple, but it comes with an experience. You have to try it. There are several ways of it. uh, Try to learn the concept behind trend lines. I will also be making a video about it because I find this very useful. There are a lot of techniques that you can combine with this, and that will be very helpful. So now let's come back to the chart. So Sun Pharma, so it's time that we wait for some more time, and once we see that 640 650 levels is taken out, then that would be the really right time, because it looks like it has broken out, but then it might go a bit higher and then can retrace. So it always pays to wait for some time, wait for confirmation, and then we can take a trade. So that's it guys. If you have any further queries, you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then you can ping me on the number provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.